Hey guys, I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful two-bedroom apartment in Ingleses. The building is right on the beach, so we've got an ocean view from here as well. So let's check it out. Okay, heading in now. Great thing about this apartment, lots of light, also some mirrors here as well, reflecting, really giving a lot of amplitude, if that's an English word, to the living room. Here we go. Great living area. You got some storage cabinets here as well, so you just push these out. It's a very nice little feature along here. Okay, so another look. Here we have this balcony. So barbecue and everything in an apartment in the south of Brazil would be complete without a barbecue area. So it's on this street here. So behind us is, I suppose, Ingleses Beach. Heading that way is Centineo, and that way you head into the center or centrinho of Ingleses. So here's our kitchen, service area as well. There you go, storage. From here you can see the beach. The area next to it is not permitted to build buildings. There is a possibility as well. So you have, from the living room, you have a view of the ocean. One of the things you can do with this wall is put in a bigger building, a bigger window as well. So to give yourself more of a view, let's go through into, well, first of all, bathroom in the middle. Some storage space hidden behind here. We're going to this bedroom here first. So good sized room, built-in wardrobes there. You've got your aircon, of course, good sized TV, and nice view of the beach. Okay. And then we go to the master bedroom. So let's have a look here. Good size. Nice laminate floors. Some built-in wardrobes here. Another one just here as well. And up there around the bed. Good size bathroom, showers, etc. See this from a different angle, and then you can wake up every morning to this nice view. Yeah. So in total, the apartment has about just under 80 meters. It's a two-bed apartment and on the market for 1.5 million reais.